Welcome back, as we now discuss the subject of roller chain lubrication. A roller chain is, in essence, a series of mechanical joints, each joint being subject to frictional forces and thus to wear. To ensure a long service life, it is vital that a chain be properly lubricated using the recommended lubricant, normally a low viscosity oil. It is important that the lubricant be able to flow and penetrate into the very small cavities between the moving parts, such as the bushings and pins, between the sidebar surfaces, as well as between the sprocket teeth and roller surfaces. For light loads and slow-speed drives, sufficient lubrication can be achieved using a clean, oil-soaked brush, as demonstrated here on our model assembly. Some equipment may be fitted with a drip feed system, which provides automatic lubrication. Note that the feed is directed to both the inner surfaces of the sidebars. As kilowatt ratings increase, more elaborate lubrication systems are used, such as the splash-type system depicted here. Pressurized or force feed systems of lubrication are usually found with high-speed chains, that is, those running in excess of 12 meters per second. An important maintenance function is to make sure that oil levels are kept to the correct mark, and that only the recommended oil is used for topping up. Poor or inadequate lubrication is possibly the most common reason for premature chain wear. We therefore urge you to follow manufacturers' recommendations regarding the lubrication requirements. Oil leakage from casing seals must be promptly rectified on closed systems. On open systems, a chain should be cleaned and relubricated at regular intervals, depending on the local pollutant levels. In this series of programs, we have attempted to cover the fundamental elements of normal maintenance in standard roller chain drive units. When a chain is properly aligned, properly tensioned, and properly lubricated, you can be sure that it will provide a long and trouble-free life. This brings us to the end of the Belts and Chain series. Join us again in other Tech AV programs designed to help improve your knowledge and skills in technical maintenance procedures.